Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in your Android 4 or any iPhone users if you want to use ChatGPT. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser here or any other browser that you have. Then go to Google and search for ChatGPT, and then you will find the first option, ChatGPT OpenAI. So just click on it. After opening the OpenAI ChatGPT website here, you need to tap on Try ChatGPT here. Then it will tell you to sign up or log in here. So as a new user, you have to sign up here. So if you tap on sign up here, then you have to put an email address and set your password to create an account here. And also remember that phone verification is required for sign up here. So I have already have an account here, so I'm just going to press login here. Then I'm going to put my email address here. Then I'm going to keep my password here. Then tap continue here. As you can see, I have logged into the new ChatGPT option here. So if you want to try something in ChatGPT, you just have to write something in the chat option here. So for example, if I ask here what is ChatGPT, it will give me the answer. As you can see, it will take some time, 2 to 3 seconds to give your answer. And it will show you the information for your question here. So that's it guys, this is how you use ChatGPT in your mobile or Android or any other iPhone here. You just need to create an account with your email here. And that's very easy. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.